So it never fails. Every time it's my daughter's birthday and the guys get together, we seem to always just get out and do something. So this time it's, I don't know if you can hear it. This time it's me, my boy Ernie, Cheyenne, we got Felipe, my other brother-in-law Miguel. People out today. We're doing a photo shoot. I wanted to get some pictures of the homies' cars. Oh my god. We got a little solid lineup, baby. What's good, baby? But whatever, we're gonna get some pictures done. We rarely get together like this, so Jesus. Sir, are you crazy?
I'm a crazy man.
Hey, I think you passed the line there a little bit, brother.
What line are we talking about here? What?
We're gonna get this little photo shoot on because Ernie got himself a little job on the paint.
What?
You good there, fam?
We're talking about that line?
So, let's meet up at the spot. Oh, oh. It's hard to drive stick with one hand! What?
Hey, Ray!
Hey! Ain't no laws when you're drinking clothes!
Eat my ass!
Must be nice to have an exhaust again, you know? That's cool. Whatever. This is just sick, riding out with the homies, man. Hey, who invited that guy? Who invited that herb?
I don't know who invited that sheep.
Bro, kick him out. Felipe's car is so insanely loud, holy crap, but it sounds so good. Just a good old American V8, baby, let's go! Woo! I'm just starting to think that my friends are psychotic, bro. Cheyenne, I love you, bro. That's great. Yeah, once you say that's kind of stupid, but great. If you guys already know, Ernie, of course you're familiar with Felipe. I got Miguel. Do you want me in the video? You okay with that? All right, perfect. We got Miguel. Yeah. And of course, we have the Persian Stallion. Hello. So like I said, it's just basic photo shoot. We're actually just trying to hang out since, you know, we're all together. It's not really common that we're all together like this. Damn, sir. Damn, you wild, bro. Beautiful. That's great. Thank you. You're just perfect for content, dude. What the heck? What just happened? I just told him to pull into the back over here and all of a sudden now he's doing a burnout. I feel like I should do a burnout now, but you'll hear more tires than than exhaust. Ernie, I told you to, oh, go slow. Oh my God. Yeah, remember, dude, these rocks are sticking to your tire like crazy. Just go slow, okay? Oh my God. We'll buff that out. so we know that Ernie likes to go balls deep. I appreciate that. If you guys wanted to see me do a review on Ernie's car, I like C7s a lot, but do you like C7s? And plus, Ernie, he's just such a lovable, funny guy. Look how adorable he is, bro.
Like a big bear.
Right? Look at that, with that Cuban, with damn 3. Oh, dude, don't stun on him so hard, bro. This is for you. This is you porn. All right, you gotta relax. So we just wanted to have like a fun little photo shoot with everybody's cars as a cop passes by right now. Hello. Cheyenne, you gotta run away, bro. FBI's after you, bro. Sorry, let's head back to the house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick little montage.
Back to the studio.
Back to the studio. Back to the studio. Back to the studio. Wow, I would be a herb and set off my own car alarm. Now I gotta head back with these crazy people, and hopefully we'll get stopped by nobody, especially with Cheyenne. Look at this herb. Look at this guy. Illegal! What is this? What is he gonna do? Oh, okay. Joke's on him, I didn't get it! I had to put the camera down so fast. Oh my god. Norgang, you have no... Yo, wow. So right when we're leaving, there's a cop that's right at the spot waiting, and we were doing some things that you shall not say. That was pretty sketch. And Cheyenne doing... God, whose man's is this, bro? If you guys, I get kind of hyped doing like stuff like this, man. I like just filming, hanging out with the homies. But I don't know if that stuff bores you guys. But I mean, come on, look. Everybody's just vibing, chilling, driving, scenic. I mean, come on, how can you be mad? Yo, who invited the slow Mustang guy?
I don't know, but he didn't even want the sauce today.
Yeah, he didn't want a 20, huh?
He didn't want a 20. Yo, why didn't they tell me there was a cop there?
Dude, they told me it was a cop last second. Like, he literally called me. Of course. Mustang V8. Oh, it's a V8 battle!
Why doesn't he give me a thing?
I don't know. Oh, we get a V8 battle? V8 battle? Oh, all right, you guys know the rules. When the light turns green, they go. Uh-oh, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You have too much power, bro. Jesus. God, his car is so loud. But for real, those tires are not good for his car. He always spins like crazy. Jesus. You can't hang out with these guys without some like shenanigans always going on. Cheyenne is the calm one now. What? Look at him. He's behaving. Okay, correction. He was behaving. Nobody can follow the rules here. I'm telling you, you can't behave. All right. Okay, that was good. Oh my God, that was one way to do it. Oh my God. Everybody's car sounds so much better than mine. My car is so silent. I need to do this swap already, man. Behave! These guys should not be allowed to have their license, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why do you need your hood up, Cheyenne? Oh, but yeah, because you have latch. You just wanted to flex the latches, didn't you?
No, I just wanted to let you know what's up.
Yeah, some of you guys should not be allowed to have your license.
Why?
I'm not gonna say who.
Who? I need to cool it down.
Oh my, do it again. Go, hit it with some. Oh, splash, splash. Oh, damn.
Keeps it hydrated like me.
Okay. I think I was the only one driving civilized for once.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh yeah,
Cheyenne took an L.
Exactly. No matter what, Cheyenne's always taking L's. Forever. What happened, dude? You need to get better tires.
Bro, that wasn't a race.
But you guys were. I thought you guys were.
We were gonna go.
I didn't let go.
Because you were spinning.
I throttle.
Bro, Dale Earnhardt Jr. goes, bro. I let go at the Daytona 500. He loses. You guys didn't want to let me know there was a cop there by any chance?
Oh yeah.
Right.
No, you're not used to like, you know, real engines.
Oh my God, brother. You better stop.
I better leave. I better leave.
Right. He's about to kick your ass, bro. Nah, no worries. You're good, bro. That's just genuine Nissan product, baby.
I gotta warm up the water a little bit.
If you guys like this kind of stuff, of just hanging out with the homies and stuff, then just make sure you hit like and subscribe. I always have a lot of fun filming this kind of stuff. It's more, I don't know, like genuine. You get me? So thank you guys for watching. Like I say, make sure you hit like and subscribe. As always, you know we gotta say it. Give me a kiss.